BREA is up a massive 466.54% intraday high in the session, $52.95 dollars. Yeah, what's going on? Let's see. Um, After announcing a massive $300 million private placement aimed at funding a Solana-based digital asset treasury with notable backing from Ark Investment and key investors from the UAE, the move has ignited intense discussion within the trading community, where some see this as a bold pivot into the booming crypto sector and a potential catalyst for outsized moves. And there's a good chance that we it may have had a gamma squeeze. A couple has had a couple of trading halts. Yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. I most certainly saw a gain of 500%. It's expected that it will remain strong up till Monday, the 22nd, and then after that, we might get a contraction. There might be an attempt to bounce, but it may be rejected. So this is just this is just there's no guarantee this extrapolation is going to happen this way. Yeah, if anything, maybe by Monday, maybe even by tomorrow, or even up to Monday, it may still hold. But yeah, but the likelihood of that is not very high. This is a lot of gains, 466% in one session. I expect a pullback to happen. Yeah, even with all of that, we can see that it has a negative second derivative on its 21-day moving average. Yeah, because I think we have seen because of this rejection here at 52.95 and a couple of other things going on there. Let's see the 4 hour chart. It might give us a better picture of what's going on. Okay, here is it's saying the strength will remain in place up till Friday's pre-market session. Yeah, possibly. Let's see, 1 hour chart has it seen any rejection? No rejection has been printed here. Okay, let's have a look at the 1 minute chart. We might be able to see projections. What are projections? We have this rejection here at 52.95. We may see something. No, 11.04, nothing like that. 11.04 downward projection. Okay, let's have a look at the 2 minute chart. Yeah, 11.15. The algos are not they're not buying this. They're not brave enough. They're not they're not optimistic. 7.3, nothing like that. Let's see the 5 minute chart. 7.3 as well. Any odds of seeing anything on the 10 minute chart? No, 7.3. So we already have a projection here. We already have a projection intraday high here. This intraday high. Yeah, it is an upper projection. It's also a decent amount of premium to the current levels. Yeah, a decent amount of premiums, more than I think close to 30%, close to 30% premium from current levels. Yeah. So yeah, it is indeed an upper projection, 52.95. That's the one we can take. Um, okay, let's see how active this market is. Let's see the other books if it's gonna work. $40 is where it is. Let's go down. 45. We can see how volatile it is. Has jumped to 45. My goodness, that's almost 10% in a blink of an eye. Yeah, I just saw an order there. Let me see. It is so crazy. Yeah, 41.27, 41.2. Let's see what's going to happen there. This person wants to buy. Is it going to go through? It went through, or did he cancel it? The person canceled. Did the person cancel? It's phenomenal, the stuff that's going on here. Let's have a look at it's no, it has come back to look at that. It's I can't even keep up. I can't even keep up at all. That the aggression is immense. It is crazy. Yes, it is so madly crazy. Let's see volume so far 4.117. Let's have a look at the daily chart here. We have 44.84 million. Yeah, surely it is. You can't have a gain of 460% and only 4.84 million shares have crossed the tape. Most certainly the aggression. If you were in doubt about that, that's a confirmation. Yeah, liquidity is also thin as well. Yeah, that you can see why the stock is jumping from flicking from 40 to 45, you know, it's unbelievable stuff. Yeah, gamma squeeze maybe behind that, This is a case where a lot of open call contracts have gone through, an immense amount have gone through, opened. That will entail or force the market makers to start buying the stock because they need to cover their positions. Yeah, they need to do that. What that feeds into the short squeeze. Yeah, and then short squeeze amongst other things when short sellers can't refresh, they can't when they can't average down their positions amongst other things, or fresh short sellers can get in. Okay, like the gate is now 500%. Yeah, if they can't do that, then you find out that in this sort of scenario, it's never really perfect. So the long traders or buyers, yeah, long traders have to come in at the right time when short sellers can't, are finding it difficult to average down. When they come in at that sort of scenario, then you may find that there may be a short squeeze, and then you find out that the borrow rate may be very high. Yeah, and it's not difficult to find out. Anybody can find out if borrow rate is very high. Yeah, if they find out, they may jump in and can cause a lot of this. And then some of these traders are also sophisticated as well. They are professional ones, the ones that work for some big these big houses, or they may have access to more in depth details, and then they can find out some of these things. And yeah, volatility is immense, liquidity is thin, aggression is brutal, aggressively aggressive. Yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. Immense aggression. Yeah. Well, the target is will be to retest 52.95. We could try and recalculate. We could try and project higher prices. We could do that now. So what do we take? We take yes. Let's see. Okay, 52.95 on the current price. 52.95 on the current price. Let's take 40. Let's take okay, let's see what we can take here. 42.91. Okay, 42.91. Yeah, we'll do that. 42.91. Yeah, as a matter of fact, we have a perfect almost one, yeah, more than $1. So we have 1.04. 1.04. We can start to calculate for upper projections. Is pulling back now. Pulling back 1.04. Let's find out. 1.04. 1.04 multiplied by 1.618. We have yeah, yeah, 1.668, and then we add that to 39.50. Yeah, okay, 41. We already have that already. 41. I think we will not be able to get we may not be able to extend the price further. We might be obtaining prices what we have already printed. Let's try again. 1.04 multiplied by 2.618. Add that to, I think it has been halted. 39.5. We have $42. Okay. Now we have seen that already. So we have 1.04 multiplied by 3.618. Add that to 39.5. We have seen that already. So indeed, there's a world where this projections can happen. I think maybe we should try and be a bit more ambitious. Let's do this. We can do this. We can do. Wait, let's try and get really ambitious now. Okay, before we do that, let's have a look at the weekly chart. We may see previous projections there. That may help us. We may see previous projections here. We may see some here. We may see 44.3 has printed that. 47. No, we can't see anything further. No, this is new territory. New territory for the stock. 52 is $52 an all-time high. Ever. New time. 48 is the highest it has ever closed at. So we have to get brave now. We have to try something really crazy. Uh, yeah, we have to do this if we want to get ambitious. We could do this. Yeah, 52 minus 60. 52 minus 72.7.29. Let's see. Let's try that. That will be really ambitious. 52.95 minus 7.29. Well, 45. Okay. Multiply that by 1.618. Add that to the current price of 39.5. 113. Can we dare to say that? No. We can't. Well, dare we say that? $113.3. Well, let's see. Never say never. Never say never. Yeah, I mean that's the much we could do. I mean, there isn't. It's so volatile. It's so hard to. You just have to keep. I mean, it's that's how it is. It's the stock is equally that volatile. It could do that as well. It could most certainly do that. So let's just see how things go. We will dare to expect $113. Yeah. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video. Okay. We could also say um, we could say that's $73. $73. Yeah. Yeah, we could add that as well. That is without adding the current price. We just multiply the Fibonacci extension by the difference we obtained. So we could do $73. We could just say, yeah, we could just moderate our ambition, our ambitious projection. We can make it $73, 73.83. Yeah, we could do that. And indeed also write 113, 13.32. Yeah. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video.